Hey guys, Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha here, and we are showing off our gorgeous 2014 Dodge Charger that wants to come home with you today. This car is gorgeous and ready to go. Let's look at some of the features. Of course, we're going to look at the trunk because we need to make sure there's room for shopping. Look how much room there is. Clean interior as well. The back seat is spacious, whether you have an adult or a child back there. Also a great feature are those vents. It's extra nice, especially on hot days or in cold weather. The interior of the front is nice and spacious, clean. Steering wheel has all of its features on it, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. You do have power seats as well. And look at those low miles. So if you're looking for a great vehicle and you need help building your credit, look no further than Byrider Waukesha. You can give us a call at 262-506-3131. Again, that's 262-506-3131. Or stop in and see us at W226S1700 Hwy 164, Waukesha, Wisconsin, 53186. Let's get you driving in this great car today.